What's going on, YouTube? I'm back with a quick video, and hopefully this is going to be more than just one video. About 2-3 weeks ago, I purchased a pretty bad condition WRX. You know, it was really cheap. It's a 2005 with a lot of miles. I've been inspired by Goon Squad, by B is for Build, by Tabarish, all those guys, man. I've been watching them for so long, and I just couldn't not get into action anymore. So that's the Viper. That one needs some work, so I'm still working on that one. I was getting ready to go out there and wash this new car, which I'll show you guys in a second. Got my Adams polishes all ready to go, and hopefully you guys can see it there. Hopefully it's focusing. And if you live in the South, you know that we've been getting so much rain for the last, what feels like a year. It's been so long since I've seen the sun. So let me turn around real quick, and I'm gonna walk over to this WRX. Here it is. It's not terribly bad, I don't think. Picked it up pretty cheap on Copart, of course, where everybody's getting their cars from to rebuild. Now, I'm gonna need you guys to give me some guidance on how to get this car, which is a parts only bill of sale, to a salvage to a rebuild, which I know is gonna be pretty hard. But there's 2 states that do it. So, and I found a couple of sites out there that have done it. Let's have a look inside. Not bad, pretty rough for the age, pretty consistent, and yes, it is an automatic, so maybe we'll do a 5-speed in here. We'll clean it up, put a new wheel on there. Needs a battery for sure, and I actually have a radio for this thing already from my 2015 WRX. From what I've been reading, it should fit right in with not too much. Yep, they definitely had car seats back here. If you know who owned this car, by the way, let me know in the comments. I'd love to talk to the previous owner and see what exactly happened to this thing. You know, I don't think anything will open because the battery's dead, and I can't even get the key out of it. So look around here so you can see it. That tape the tow truck driver actually put on there because the bumper was flailing pretty bad. So you can see it has a crack down there. But overall, I don't think it's awful. So, you know, maybe I'll turn it into an autocross car. Maybe we'll see some track action. We'll see. I found a 5-speed transmission for it already pretty cheap. I think I mentioned that already. So I'm pretty interested in doing a 5-speed SWAT perhaps. So anyways, guys, just wanted to give you a quick update on the new car. We'll have some fun with this build, hopefully. If you've got any suggestions, comments, let me know. This is my 4th Subaru. I've had a couple of WRXs, Legacy, and now another WRX. So really excited to get this project going. The first thing I'm going to do is give it a nice bath, a nice wash. Been trying to do that, but with the rain that keeps coming down here, it's been pretty tough. Sorry, I'm having a hard time focusing today. But anyways, this weather's crappy. This weather blows. Let's give it a wash and see how this thing turns out. Alright, I put some of Adam's wheel cleaner on there. I don't know if I got enough, and it is wet, but I'm going to use the brush either way to try to get, that's been on there for some time. I might have to do a little bit more. I think these are snow tires, so this car is definitely from up north, but maybe one of you guys can correct me. I'm not 100% sure. Man, that stuff is on there hard. I need to use some more, and it's starting to rain again, so this is fun. Alright guys, what do you think? I think it's looking a little bit better. Gave it a quick wash. Of course, it needs a lot more than what I just did in a few minutes. Wheels are looking better, paint's looking a little better. These things looks like they just sit in under trees or out in the elements for quite a long time. This one's definitely been sitting for some time because the rotors, kind of hard to see them, they were pretty bad. And I'm not talking about just a surface rust you normally get from just having them sit there. I'm talking about like full-on rusted out. So I think that is going to be it for today's video. I will do a follow-up, take a look at the engine. I've got the battery charging right now because the battery's been sitting there for so long, it's completely dead. I probably need a new one, so that's gonna be the next step, get a battery, get this thing started, and see what kind of issues we have. So anyways, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think, and definitely if you have some input, I'll check it out. Thanks.